Hi, this is Daryl from thehumandiver.com, and today's topic is F for fixation. So a couple of days ago, Gareth talked about situational awareness and explained the three levels, which I'll summarize as I see, I understand, and I project what is going to happen next. Today we're going to cover how you or your buddy can recognize when you've lost situational awareness. And let's start with task fixation. So task fixation is when your mind becomes completely focused on fixing the problem to the exclusion of almost everything else. An example of that would be launching an SMB and getting tangled in the line. If you become task fixated on disentangling yourself, you'll probably not notice that you've accidentally ascended without any buoyancy control, and you're not really where you think you are in the water, and that you've also missed your buddy's frantic signals and that the group is now significantly deeper than you are. As another example, photographers have a bit of a reputation for task fixation. How many of you have watched your photographer buddy getting completely fixated on getting that perfect macro shot? You could be out of gas just next to them. They'd be blissfully unaware of it unless you came along and physically grabbed them. Now, part of your job in a team dive is to spot when other team members have become task fixated and then help them to reconnect to their environment and team before something undesirable occurs. There are some other signs that you or a team member may have lost situational awareness, including lack of required information. So, for example, if you missed important navigation landmarks and got lost, reaching mental capacity, I can't think straight anymore. Disagreement between two sources of information. I've got two computers, they have different depths, or I've got two handsets on a rebreather that are showing me PPO2s that are disparate. Confusion or uncertainty. What were we supposed to do again? Failure to comply with accepted practices, often because we've just lost the script and we don't know what's going on anymore. Failure to communicate effectively. Well, when we lose situational awareness, we often stop listening properly. Now, underwater, that could be misunderstanding hand signals or not noticing them at all. And then lastly, bad gut feeling. This occurs because our brain's constantly processing, filtering, and discarding information that's coming in from our sensory circuits. And that happens subconsciously. It doesn't mean that any of it's ignored, and the brain, when it sees something that doesn't match what it's expecting, it'll actually send you signals, and that's what causes these bad gut feelings. So today was F for fixation. Stay safe, everybody.